Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Juan Porta, and in this channel you will be able to find Final Cut Pro 10 tutorials, gear reviews, and overall creative content. Finding the right track is a very time-consuming and hard task. There are a few services out there that you can subscribe to in order for you to use licensed music. You want to make sure that you choose the right one for you. I will talk to you about the two services I've used and why I ended up choosing the one I did. At the beginning, I started using Epidemic Sound, and this is a library of 35,000 songs that you can use, and it also has 90,000 sound effects for your projects. You can cancel at any time. The trial is for 30 days, but they have a month-by-month payment plan. They have a commercial plan for $49 and a personal plan for $15. Their library is huge and is very easy to navigate thanks to their filtering system. You can choose the mood, the length, and the BPM. It also allows you to download stems. Stems are layers of a song, so you can download a folder with separate tracks for different instruments. The only problem with Epidemic Sound, and this is the reason why I didn't stick with them, is their licensing agreement if you're working with clients. If you're using their music for personal use, such as a YouTube channel or your own brand, it's okay. But if you're using it for videos to serve clients, you have to clear every video that you upload on their website. For example, if I make a video for a gym, I have to ask the gym owner or whoever hired me to give me the link of every single place where they posted this video, and I have to go in the system and clear it. This is extra work for me, extra work for my client, and I just thought it was a big inconvenience, so it didn't work for me. But if you are a creator that is starting and you want really cool music and you will not be doing client work, then I recommend this for you. The platform I use is called Artlist, and I will leave a link in the description for a free trial. Note that this is an affiliate link. Artlist has a smaller library with 12,000 songs, and they update them monthly. They add 150 songs every month. Additionally, they also offer sound effects. They also have a stock video platform, which I have not used, so I won't talk about it. It is also very easy to navigate because you can filter songs by instrument, mood, or theme. It also has the shape of the sound wave, so you can have an idea of the pace of the song. Artlist has an option to create playlists and save them in folders. I love this option because when I have a client coming up, for example, I have a wedding in a few weeks, I have been exploring the page looking for the songs that match the project, and I am saving them in a playlist, and I can share this playlist with my client, and then the client can give me feedback. Another cool feature is the spotlight section, and you can navigate this and find what songs other creators are using. They have 3 different pricing options, but they are only billed yearly. They don't have an option of going by month like Epidemic Sound does. Artlist has a plan for music only, sound effects only, or sound effects and music. All 3 plans can be not only used for personal projects, but also for client work. And this is the reason why I chose them. The license agreement is very clear. There's no way you can get confused with this. You make a project, you add your songs, and you forget about it. You can post it in any platform that you want. You can share it as many times as you want. You can use it for client work as well. If you do work for clients, this is the option for you because you don't have to worry about licensing. Thanks for watching this video. If you're getting value out of it, consider subscribing and hit the notification bell. Until next week.